In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the export option missing on CapCut, whether you're on Windows or Mac. This is one of those frustrating issues that can happen when you're ready to finish your edit, but the export button seems to disappear, or you just can't access it. The good news is, there are a couple of very simple fixes you can try right away, and they usually solve the problem fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and quick fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, if the export option is missing, try using the keyboard shortcut instead of looking for the button. On PC, press Ctrl and E at the same time. On Mac, press Command and E. This shortcut can force the export menu to open, even when the export button is not showing on screen. So if CapCut is being weird and hiding the option, this is the quickest fix to test first. Just make sure your project is open, then use the shortcut directly and see if the export window appears. If that does not work, the next thing you need to check is your timeline for Pro elements. CapCut sometimes hides or restricts export options if your draft includes premium content, such as a Pro watermark, a paid transition, or another Pro tagged effect. So go through your project carefully and look for anything marked as Pro. If you spot one, remove it from the timeline and replace it with a free alternative. Once those premium elements are gone, go back and check the export option again. This is an important step because sometimes users do not realize they added a premium effect while editing, and that one element can cause confusion when it comes time to export. So don't just assume CapCut is broken. Take a moment to review your clips, text, transitions, filters, overlays, and stickers. If anything has a Pro label, remove it and try again. In many cases, that instantly brings the export option back. So to recap, if export is missing on CapCut, first use Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac to open the export menu, and then check your timeline for any Pro elements and remove them if needed. Those two steps solve the issue for most users. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.